Everybody has their why. Why you play, why you push yourself day in, day out. For me, it's not about stats or championships. It's about representing my family's name on my back. They are my why. My mom helped coach my varsity basketball team. She used basketball to show young women that nothing can stop them. Women are often conditioned to be small, timid, to stay in a box. My mom crushed that box. She showed me what it means to take up space as a woman on and off the court, to be strong and intense and powerful. She is my why. My mom passed away unexpectedly during my junior season. She was 53. At times, it was hard to play. Basketball and my mom were intertwined, which made it really painful. But in the hardest moments, I could still hear her encouragement. Live largely, she'd say, work hard, faith over fear, left foot, right foot, breathe. My senior year, I had another unexpected change. Georgetown was about to hire a new coach. I was a team captain with 1 year left to play. I wasn't sure what to do. Should I keep playing for the Hoyas with new coaches, or should I finish my career somewhere else? I trusted my gut. I still loved basketball, I loved my teammates, and I loved Georgetown. I decided to stay. Coach Tasha Butts became our new coach. She approached basketball the same way my mom did. She was kind and nurturing and intense and direct. She developed us as people before players. I fell in love with the game again. I learned so much in the 3 months I had with her. A few weeks before our first game, Coach Tasha passed away from breast cancer, also at a young age. I felt heartbroken, but I knew she would want us in the gym, pushing out of our comfort zones and onto the path she set for the program. So we got to work. Under head coach Haney, we finished the season with the most wins in a decade. We made it to the Big East Championship for the first time ever, and I had the best year of my career. At Georgetown, we talk about doing everything out of love. You show up out of love and respect for basketball, for the women who came before you, and who and what you play for. It's all much more powerful than any title or tournament. The past 5 years have been both incredible and tragic. Change has been constant and growth inevitable. As I leave Georgetown to play basketball professionally, I am grateful for the name on the back of my jersey and what it means, for the hours my parents and siblings spent rebounding, for the miles my family and friends drove to watch me play, for my mom's voice in my head. And I'm grateful for the university on the front of my jersey and what it means, for the meaning I found in all of my experiences here, for the people who've loved and shown up for me, unconditionally. My why is all of you.